Hello, 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 what ho! Welcome back to another exciting adventure of the Ubercast. I'm your host, Travel Mateus. I believe I have a secret that I've not seen anyone else talk about, so here it goes. If you are into making your own can of butter or infused coconut oil like I make here, there's a process that many people use called decarboxylation, where you put your flour onto a cooking sheet and then you bake it in the oven to activate the flour. Okay? Now you can do this in mass in large quantities and it's quicker. However, think about this very, very important additional bit of information. This volcano, vaporizes your flour. And the process that it uses is the same process that you bake your flour at to decarb it. Except you get at least 3 uses out of this flour here as you are vaping it. So you are missing out on at least 3 to 4 additional uses of your flour before you even get to making your can of butter. Is that clear? When you cook your flour in the oven, you can't benefit from it by vaping it. It's got one and done, you're done. However, even though this is a smaller portion, you are decarbing your flour, put it away and save it, and then when you have enough to make your next batch of your infused butter or oil, you've got like 5 uses out of the same volume of bud. Are you understand what I'm saying to you? If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, and share this content. I'm your host, Travel Mateus, the gay podcaster. Until next time.